There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2020 Dodge Durango SRT in diamond black crystal pearl. With BI-XENON HID projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo 6-piston front brakes, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, seat back video screens, power sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D5582.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.